Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing around with the Morphe x James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. I think that's what it's called, but yes, it's so pretty. I love it. It's huge, yeah, because there's so many things or colors in it, but I really love the color selection. You can literally do any look with this. And I think I want to do probably the most safest wearable look, like a little sunset vibes, using like this yellow, maybe the orange, and then that on the lid or something. We'll see. Yeah, so I already did my face and everything because I always do my face first. So let's hope the fallout doesn't get to me. I'm gonna start off by just putting some, I also have the James Charles brush collection. I also have some of my own brushes in here too as well, but I'm gonna be using some of his brushes from in here. Let's see, there's so many I can't even find the one I'm looking for. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the M441 and go into this yellow shade right here. And I'm just gonna put that all over like the crease. Okay, next I'm going to take a more detailed small brush. I'm going to take the Morphe M506 and I'm going to go into this red shade. I do have the things with the names. Hang on a second. Shade, you're kidding. Yep, you're kidding. And I'm just gonna go into the crease, tighter in the crease this time. It's gonna look crazy for a little while until the end. So I just want to lay down that color in the crease. Yes, I know it looks crazy and an unblended mess right now, but that's what I want. I'm going to do the same to the other eye. And I'm trying to keep it off of the lid, like just keep it in that little tight crease area. If it gets on the lid, it's fine. I'm probably gonna just cut the crease when I get to that lid part. Okay, I look ridiculous. Now I'm going to go into another M441 from his brush collection because he included multiple ones, and I'm going to go into the shade 518, which is this orange color on the top. And I'm just gonna go in between the yellow and the orange and kind of blend those together. Kind of gonna do some circular motions here. Okay, it's getting there. I think since they're so pigmented, it's harder to blend together. So they're like pressed pigments. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye and marry those two colors together. And no, this isn't my first time playing with the palette. I've done it a couple times. Since I've got it, I've just been playing with like the color because I usually don't do color. So I'm kind of going like the safe route on camera right now because I've done some looks that turn out kind of ugly because I don't know what colors to put together, but it's fun to play around with for sure. Okay, this is coming together nice. I'm definitely gonna have some fallout, I have a feeling, because I'm not really tapping off the excess because I really want the color to pop. I'm gonna go back with the other brush and just take some more of that yellow and just go on like the very top of that orange to kind of give that ombre effect. Just to finish out the blending. I feel like I'm losing a little bit of that red, so I'm gonna go back in with that smaller crease brush and go back into that deep red called You're Kidding. And I'm really gonna just tighten that in the crease, or put that in the crease and be very precise. Okay, a lot of blending. Go back into that orange, blend just a little bit, and then the yellow one more time, just to say that we did. Okay, now I'm going to go in with there's so many brushes. Where's the freaking, oh, right here, okay. I'm gonna take, no, this is not the one I use. Maybe it is. I don't know. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna take the M224 and I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer to cut out the crease. I'm gonna use this Cover FX Power Play Concealer because that's the one that's on my eyes right now. Really weird applicator, but it's really good. I like it. Okay. Now, this is like my third time cutting my crease, so it might be a little rough. And it's rough. Well, I completely covered up all of the red that we had there. So that's good. Let me try the other one. Let's hope for the best. I think I put too much product on my eye, to be honest. Just don't look at my left eye right now. is not the look for me. Nadia struggles with eyeshadow for 10 minutes straight. Okay. Ignore my crease cutting. Ignore it, because it looks ugly, and I am aware. Okay, so I went ahead and cut my crease, just using a concealer. Now I'm gonna pack some shadow onto the lid using okay, so my videos or my phone stopped recording in the middle of the tutorial. So after I cut my crease, it kind of cut out. But this is the finished look. I used this shade Wig right here on the lid, and then underneath my on my lower lash line I used this shade right here, and then I used 518 on the inner corner to the outside, and then I buffed that out using this yellow shade, and then on the inner corner I used this shade right here. And then I finished off my lips and my eyes, and on my lips I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Toffee Lip Gloss and the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, the only mascara that I ever use. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do more tutorials, hopefully that won't be cut out next time, using this palette, just comment down below, because there's so many different potential looks that I could do with this. I mean, look. So yeah, if you want to see a specific look, just comment down below, and I would love to do it. I just need some more inspiration of what to do and stuff, and I don't want to just put out random stuff that no one wants to see. So just comment down below, yes. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.